friends, I am Arya Harishraja of 8B. What is special today? Today is World Earth Day. April 22 is commended as the World Earth Day to exhibit support for the well-being of the earth and raise open mindfulness about the issue. Since 1970, over 190 nations prize it consistently. This year, consenting to of Paris arrangements add more criticalness to the significance of World Earth Day. Around 120 nations, including the US and China, will sign this arrangement and vow to deliver the laws that will diminish the emanation of ozone harming substances into the climate. World Earth Day is prized worldwide to make mindfulness about the consistently expanding global warming, to advise openly about the cataclysmic influences it has on our day-by-day lives, and to teach everybody about techniques to forestall and fix the harm that had been done work date. With environmental change continually expanding ocean level, exhaustion of the ozone layer and merciless deforestation are discussed in the open. Each individual can contribute in their specific manner to make this day a triumph. On this day, a few volunteers go to a close by land to plant trees for a greener planet, while a few volunteers choose to clean neighboring paths or waterways. Various specialists hold hands and attempt to make an open mindfulness by making madness through origami ventures or their works of art. Long distance races are sorted out. Individuals take an interest in flame light walk, and the nearby bodies organize many Earth Day programs. We should hold hands to praise the World Earth Day on April 22 in the manner we can. Indeed, even a little motion like turning off the lights of our home for an hour has a major effect. It is our home, our earth, and we must fix the harm that we caused. Thank you.